In today's video I will show you the way on how you can fix if you don't receive the WhatsApp notifications on your Android phone. You want to make sure if the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. So what the Do Not Disturb mode does is that it is basically going to block all of the notifications which you ever receive on your Android phone. But if that is not the case, and this only happens on WhatsApp, the second thing we can try is to simply allow notifications for WhatsApp. In order to do that, I will go ahead and open up the Settings app on our Android phone. Scroll down and click on Apps. So here you want to find WhatsApp and click on it. Click on Notifications. And make sure notifications are enabled. If this does not work, the last thing I recommend to do is to uninstall and install WhatsApp application from Play Store. This are all solution to be able fix if you don't receive WhatsApp notification. I hope some of this solutions works for you.